Hi, welcome to the second screencast for Scrum Time. I am Ernie Pascal, and in this episode I will show you the process for creating a product from the point where the first screencast left off. Here is the home page for the 0.6 release of Scrum Time. In order to create a product, we need to register as a new user. Notice that we already have the values for the time zone and for the language. Here I'm just going to fill in the values for the registration and then press the register button and see what happens. So as you can see, I get an error and it's saying that my mail settings are not correct. In fact, it even says that I have an unknown SMTP host, so we need to configure that first. So I'm switching to a command prompt. I'm going to open the config.groovy file. I use the mail plugin for Grails, and that uses the config.groovy file for its configuration settings. So when I open it, there is a section for the configuration for that plugin. The specific settings that we're concerned with are the host name, the username, and the password. So I'm going to make a change to that right now. Next, I'm switching over to the command prompt. I'm going to restart Grails. I'm going to make sure that these settings are configured properly. So once this comes up, I'm going to switch over to the browser. That's the old exception. So let me start from scratch here. And since we've restarted Grails, I need to rerun the init so that we once again have our language and our time zone set up properly. Now we'll switch over to the registration and fill this out once more. Then press the register button. And there we have a success this time. So we have a user account that's been created. Now I expect an email to come if everything has been configured properly. And there we have the email. So now this is the link that I need to follow in order to activate the account. So I'll just click it. Okay, and there we are. The user account has been activated. So now the next thing I need to do is log in. So we'll click the login link, fill in the values, and press login, and we're now logged in. So now go to the management tab and create a new product. And my product I'm going to call Scrum Time. And I'm intentionally going to leave the description off just to show you what happens. So there we have the error. So I'll go ahead and enter a description and then hit save again. So now we have our product, and this concludes everything that I wanted to accomplish in this second screencast. So thank you very much.